The ultimate confidentiality checklist. What business owners must do before initiating a sale. Hi, I'm Jim Montgomery, and I help business owners navigate these tough decisions. You've built a successful manufacturing or B2B business in Texas or Colorado. Years of hard work and sacrifice have gone into it. But if you're considering a sale, you need to channel your inner James Bond, because leaking information at the wrong time is like leaving your vault wide open. Today, we're arming you with the ultimate confidentiality checklist to protect your business, maintain maximum leverage, and ensure a smooth, surprise-free sale. Think of confidentiality as the first domino. Knock it over prematurely, and it sets off a chain reaction that can sabotage the value of your business. Not ideal, right? Here's why secrecy gives you power. Buyers smell desperation. Word gets out that you're in a hurry to sell, and they'll lowball you, figuring they have the upper hand. Remember, in a negotiation, whoever seems the most eager usually loses. Competitors get bold. Imagine you run a successful machine parts business here in Texas. If a rival learns you're looking to exit, they might swoop in to poach your clients or try to undercut your prices, causing major headaches during the sales process. Employees jump ship. Staff hears rumors, start worrying about job security, and bam! Your best people hand in their resignations right when you need them the most. Not helpful. Okay, let's talk about your inner circle, aka who needs to be in the know about your exit plans. Fewer people equals lower risk, so be ruthless. This is not the time to get sentimental. Obviously, your core advisors, lawyer, accountant, maybe a broker, are on the list. But here's where it gets tricky. Key employees, only if they're absolutely essential to the sale and you trust them implicitly. Family, spouses, significant others, that's usually unavoidable. But your cousins who love to gossip over barbecue, hard pass. Remember, loose lips sink ships, and business sales. The NDA, your not-so-secret weapon. Think of it like insurance, but way more important than that policy on your company truck that you probably never read. Get it in writing. A handshake and a promise is worth squat if a buyer leaks your info to a competitor. Work with your lawyer to draft a bulletproof NDA. Tailor it. Don't just download some generic template. Red flag alert. Any serious buyer who refuses to sign a fair NDA, run. Don't walk the other way. Now, to secure your fort, which in this case is your business itself, implement spy-level safeguards for both physical and digital information. Document control. We're talking old school stuff here. Who has the keys to the filing cabinets with those juicy profit reports? Access to client lists and contracts. Lock it down. Cybersecurity. When was the last time you updated your firewall? Do employees reuse the same easy-to-hack passwords? This is where a little paranoia is justified. The human factor. Sadly, the weakest link is often not technology, but people. Confidentiality isn't about being a control freak, it's about being a smart business owner. By following this checklist, you protect your legacy, your employees, and the maximum value of that business you worked so hard to build. Need help navigating exit strategies with maximum discretion? Click below for a consultation. We've got your back. If you are ready to talk, let's schedule a time to do a free deep dive into your business. Just go to my website on the next slide, or look below and click to book a call. I look forward to our exploration. This is James Montgomery. You can call me Jim. We're at www.jamesmontgomerylaw.com, and I look forward to talking with you.